action.
Action.
Well, we are up and getting ready to go for a ride.
For you that don't know, I'll tell you what to check on your saddle is you want to make sure that this leather is in good shape so that it doesn't break on you going up the trail and drop you on the saddle off. And I haven't got my bridle out here too, but it should be checked over too. All your leather cinches.
Yep. Should be a pretty fun one today. We're got my dad's colt back out with us. So his second time out on the trail. And this is Chip, my grandpa's 3-year-old colt. He's been out a couple times this year, but still learning, still new, still young. Should be fun. We are gonna go see if we can't find some mushrooms today. He found some a couple days ago, so we might be in luck. And then we'll go see if we can catch us some fish if we don't get rained out.
You also want to check your reins, that they're in good repair, that they're not going to break here, give you a problem. About the time you need them, you let you go.
There's your wisdom for the day.
Yes.
Should be fun. So we are back out where we were on the last video. Ooh, chicken!
I would have got bucked off.
Just jumped a chicken. So we're back out where we were on the last video. But we're going up a different trail. It's one of the same places we go pretty much every year. And go up to a lake and do a little bit of fishing, hopefully. If we make it up in time, we're kind of getting a late start. But hopefully we can do a little fishing and hopefully we find some mushrooms. Maybe. See if my grandpa remembers where he found them last time, because he left them there for us to see if he can remember where he had them last time. The trail's still pretty muddy and wet and snowy. And a lot of blowdown.
Ooh.
You can go up a little higher.
Whoa.
That's good for him.
He got it up on his nose.
That is good. I bet he does. That's how they learn. That's what you want to see.
God, I don't know. Maybe we should have pulled a camper up here. Somebody pull a camper, somebody pull horses.
Sure, there's gonna be a lot of people up here tomorrow.
No, that's all right.
I guess you are pretty sociable. I'm pretty introverted.
We get the good parking.
Yeah.
Can you smell one, Ron?
I detect a slight odor.
Do you want to get off and see if you can find it?
Well, then I gotta get back on. My horse is taller than yours.
Right there.
Oh my heck. We rode right past it.
You want to get
No,
it?
we didn't. You did.
I did. Wow. I'm slacking.
But I can smell more than one.
Woo. There it is. All right. Oh, Chico.
There's a bag here.
I got one too.
Wonder if there's any-
Mushroom.
I can smell.
Oh yeah.
Some more.
It's a pretty good one. Get a lot more of them. Only found that one little bunch of mushrooms. There were a couple more in that one area. Not having any more luck finding any more. Colts are doing pretty good. Traveling pretty well. Kind of like this area because there's a big old pull patch. A lot of open trees. Suck in the guts.
I just seen the copper one around. It's just a light spot.
These dang things are so hard to find. I guess there's just not very many of them.
Not very many for whatever reason.
But it's hard because you get a lot of the
There's still pretty good moisture.
light patches and a lot of the dead pine needles always look like them. Got one, maybe. I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's just pine needles. Stupid pine needles.
Go ahead, Cole.
One, two. Three. Got one right there too. It's a good little spot. Show us what you got.
Very bad.
Too bad. Right here.
Okay.
Oh, clothes and shoes. Uh-oh.
We got clothes and shoes. We got some clothes and shoes.
Why? Where are you at? Hopefully there's nobody that's supposed to occupy those in the lake. That'd be cold.
There you go. Made it. Where do you want to go, Dad? Oh.
You said this was all iced up a couple days ago? I think you said most of it was iced up.
No. Do what? Oh, you want me to tie your horse?
Well, I was thinking that too.
That's fine. That's fine. I know.
Where were those grizzly tracks that you saw?
They were up here higher. To me, though, if you look out there, you can see tracks.
Out in the water.
No, in the snow.
Yeah,
Where?
on the other side, all over.
Where at, Don?
Well, down here.
The whole side, pretty much.
Looks like there's a bunch over here in that corner. Down to the south side.
Snowball.
Don't let that big
Got
one.
him. There you go. That's a nice fish.
I got my drag set a little tight.
That snowball's fishing just like I do.
Got up here and he only has like 10 feet of line.
He's just wiggling in there.
I gotta get every bit of play I can on him.
Yeah.
I
There
just
you
about
go.
couldn't even drag him up here.
You got him.
Don't let your rod snap.
That rod's got a busted tip and only about 10 feet of line, but
Well, pretty good damn fishing. Nice fish.
Yeah, he's a. Should we keep him or should we throw him back?
Keep him. I'll take him. We'll take him. And you guys like fish?
Yeah, I love him.
I love it.
He
I'll,
does
I'll let
not
you
like
guys have him though. I'll catch you another
Catch me
one
2 or
here.
3 so I can have for breakfast. Hot cakes.
Okay.
That's when they're good.
Trout and hot cake.
That's
Oh,
like his
man.
favorite. Oh my gosh, favorite meal. He likes to
Really?
eat trout and hot cakes.
My dad.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fighter.
Don't lose him.
Got my bronco nervous.
Good.
That's a good one. Hang with me, Snowballs.
I got him. I got next to him. He's mine.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Nice fish.
I'm gonna have to go down there.
Yeah.
I thought
Pretty
it was
good for a
He's
no
showing
tip.
everybody up.
for a broke tip,
Dip,
10-foot line.
10-foot line, like an old Indian was doing with it.
Joe.
Usually always is.
Cast after
How
cast.
many fish can
Keep that one.
He's running with her too.
Did he take it off with you? You got a good one. Oh,
I'll tighten my drag up a little.
3 in like what, 5 minutes?
yeah. When they start biting, what they do is they make the little schools coming around, and they're like a bunch of them. You can see them
There's another one right there.
a lot of times.
Right next to the one he's bringing in. Did you see that?
He's a
Hang with me, Snowballs. Boy, that Skinner would be mad. He's
Big one.
God, tell me that's on camera.
Go get him, Benjamin.
Yeah.
That's a big
Yeah,
size.
that's a nice fish.
He's better.
Video that.
If you had fallen in,
Oh.
Oh my God.
He wasn't hooked too good.
Very good. No, he's mad, dude.
I just about lost my pants on that.
Benjamin, stand up. Hey, come here.
You know, last time my dad and me
Benji.
chased horses, he
Benji.
was running across there, and next thing I know that his
Benjamin,
pants was
come
down
here.
around his knees.
Hey.
I said, you can't run with them pants around your
Come
knees.
here.
Oh, like, that big one's on his way down.
Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed that video. It was a pretty fun ride that we went on. Sorry I didn't video our whole trip back, but we ended up meeting up with some friends up the lake and ended up riding back with them and cooked up the mushrooms and put them on some elk steak, and it was delicious. It was a fun weekend. But hope you enjoyed it. Leave us a like and subscribe if you did, and hopefully we'll get some more videos out to you real soon. See you next time.